Hi, I'm here today with the 2018 Dodge Ram, and I wanted to show you the new lift kit I had put on it. So what we have here is a 6-inch rough country lift. I did have a 3-inch lift kit on this truck before, and it was actually really tearing up the CV shafts on this thing. I had to replace the one, and I had it up for inspection at Bruce Henn's garage, and he recommended that I go with a different kind of lift kit. So I decided to go with the 6-inch rough country, and it seems, it's 3 inches higher. It doesn't look as high as I thought it would, though. So I'll just do a little walk around of it here. You can see how the truck sits on this new lift kit. I was worried that the wheels were going to look like, really tiny, almost like golf cart wheels in this thing, but they don't look as bad as I thought they would. So I thought I was going to maybe buy 35s right away, but I think I'm going to run these tires for a little while yet, because, as you can see, the tread is still really good on them. It seems a shame to buy new tires when these are, still pretty good. So here we have the rear coil springs and the struts that came with this lift kit. And we have some new stuff going on up front here too. There's got new shocks for this. That was part of that lift kit. I don't know if you can see it. There's one of the knuckles that came with it. We used the same upper control arms as what came with my 3-inch lift kit. So that's what those are. The suspension has a lot more travel. I actually had that 3-inch lift kit on with the factory shocks, which isn't the greatest thing to do, but yeah, the ride quality is actually quite a bit better since I put this new kit on it. So you can see the CVs are on pretty good angles there. They're nice and level. They're not like they were before. I was getting some shimmying a little bit on the highway with this thing, and that was kind of the first indicator that there was something going on. And I thought it was, maybe a tire out of balance or something, but it turned out it was, I guess, one of those CVs causing this problem. So we took care of that.